Is your iPhone refusing to recognize your beautiful face? Don't worry. We're going to fix that. First, let's jump into your iPhone settings. Scroll down until you find Face ID and passcode and tap on it. You'll need to enter your passcode to proceed. If Face ID isn't set up, or if it's been disabled, you'll see the option to set up Face ID. Go ahead and tap that and follow the on-screen instructions to register your face. If Face ID is already set up, tap Reset Face ID. This will clear your existing facial data. Then, set it up again from scratch. Sometimes, a simple reset is all it takes. Make sure nothing is obstructing the TrueDepth camera. That's the notch at the top of your iPhone. Clean it with a soft, lint-free cloth. Smudges or dirt can interfere with Face ID. Face ID works best without obstructions. Take off your sunglasses, face masks, or anything else that might be covering your face. Next, let's check for software updates. Go back to the main settings menu, tap General, and then Software Update. Install any available updates. Apple often includes bug fixes that can resolve Face ID issues. If you're still having trouble, try restarting your iPhone. A simple restart can often clear up minor software glitches. Press and hold either volume button and the power button until the power off slider appears. If none of these steps work, it might be a hardware issue. Contact Apple support for further assistance. They can diagnose if there's a problem with the TrueDepth camera itself. Hopefully, one of these steps got your Face ID working again. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.